Alright, so nakakatuwa no yung isang post natin about orchestras. Marami talagang nakikita ko talaga yung interest ng mga tao no sa orchestra music. I mean, classical music in general, and it actually is a good thing no. Actually, marami nga akong students dito sa TikTok na nagpo-pursue ng violin because of I think magandang exposure talaga. Okay. So, actually, mas marami pa bukod doon sa dalawa na orchestras. Although, yung iba, hindi pure classical yung mga piniplay. That's why I didn't include them in that list. Anyway, may nakalimutan ako. Shoutout nga pala sa UP Symphony Orchestra. Ayan. So, kung gusto nyo ng medyo mas modern na mga pieces, usually, mas ano yung mga piniplay nila. More modern na orchestra pieces. Okay din, may mga season concerts din sila. Okay, so yun yung mga professional orchestras. There's also student orchestras like OFY, no, Orchestra of the Filipino Youth, na nagko-concerts din. Mostly sa proscenium sila sa Rockwell. So, marami namang din concert venues iba-iba din talaga, no. Tapos, of course, we also have UST Symphony. I'm not sure lang kung ilang concerts. Usually, ako kasi nung student ako before sa UST Symphony, we usually have at least 2 to 3 major concerts every academic year. So, nung time namin, ganun. I think ngayon, parang 1 every sem. So, parang ganun pa din naman. So, watch out nyo lang din. So, maganda i-follow nyo lang siguro sila sa social media pages nila para makita nyo. And there's also, of course, MSJO, Manila Symphony Junior Orchestra. Meron din silang mga concerts around Makati, Manila area. And then, yung sa Suzuki na orchestra, meron din sila, Philippine Suzuki Youth Orchestra. Sa ibang mga schools na maliliit na music schools, meron din silang mga orchestra. So, follow nyo lang lahat ng pwede nyo i-follow para makita nyo. And other events din, no? May mga concert seasons ng kung gusto nyo naman mas smaller na group. Like, may mga chamber music concerts din na sinusponsor ng iba-ibang group. So, I can happily say na classical music is alive sa Pilipinas. So, kahit sabihin na natin sa ibang bansa, maraming orchestras na nagsasara dito sa atin, no? Whether they're playing pop or wedding tunes or film music, like for example Philharmonica, no, with their film concerts, and also MPO, no, Manila Philharmonic, one of the top orchestras when we talk about events and weddings and commercial stuff, no. So marami talaga, no. Music is thriving dito sa Pilipinas, and kung gusto mo manood, tumambay ka lang siguro sa Manila, Makati area, dyan maraming concerts almost every day. Minsan nagsasabay-sabay, no. Kaya nakakatuwa na even though maraming kaguluhan sa mundo, may music, nandyan pa rin yung music, no? Kung hindi ka mahilig sa classical, you can still listen to a lot of orchestral music na pop, di ba? Parang it's a great way to ease into the music na instrumental heavy, no? So kung mahilig ka sa violin pero hindi ka mahilig sa classical, that is a good way also. So ayan, napakarami talaga. Kaya nga sabi ko, within a month hindi ka mauubusan. At least one. Most of the time, at least once a week halos meron talagang performances. Kaya Philippine music is really in a good state. Kahit na sabihin natin medyo magulo talaga yung mga nangyayari sa mundo. So, shout out sa lahat ng orchestras dyan, lahat ng orchestra musicians. Keep doing what you're doing kasi you're making an impact, no? Kahit minsan hindi natin nararamdaman, no? When we go on stage, perform in front of an audience, whether that's 10 or 1,000 people, you are making an impact as an orchestra musician. And good luck sa inyong lahat.